Now that my father's dead, there's no reason to stay. That's why he sent you, isn't it? To bring us back to Ironrath. To crush our enemies south of the wall. And avenge his death. It's what my father would have wanted. I know what my father said. The North Grove can never be lost. But he wouldn't want us to die because of it.
Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Zweite Folge von Episode 6, der letzten Episode.
What is it?
Guards.
Game of
They're
Thrones.
searching your room.
Wieso durchsuchen Wachen mein Zimmer?
Break it down!
Break it down!
Search the place!
They're coming after us for the murder.
Shit. The knife is in there.
We should have gotten rid of that ages ago.
Aber sowas
Come
von.
on, we can't stay here.
What's going on, Tom? Lady Marjorie said she'd heard rumors about me.
It's all over the keep, milady. They're saying you take Lannister men to your bed and murder them in their sleep.
Was zur Hölle?
What? That's ridiculous.
It'd be ridiculous, milady, if soldiers weren't smashing in your door. They're saying you killed that Lannister guard. There's more. Someone sent the captain of the guard a message about you. Dropped off at the guardhouse. Anonymously.
You mean someone's plotting against me? What was in the message?
Murder accusations, most likely. Whoever's behind this, they're making their move now. If those guards catch you, if they catch us, we've got to stay close to Lady Marjorie. They won't touch us if we're with her. She'll protect us. What's the matter? Say something.
Ja, tut mir leid.
Lady Marjorie, we've had it, Mira. Well and truly.
Calm down. Panicking isn't going to help.
Those guards won't stop until they find someone for Damien's death. What are we going to do, Lady Mira? How are we getting out of this one?
Don't worry, Tom. We'll figure out who's behind this. We've managed to get this far, haven't we?
You're right, Lady Mira. But we ain't faced nothing like this.
Wer ist Tom eigentlich? Ich weiß das immer noch nicht, wer Tom eigentlich ist.
Tell me and I'll help you. Whatever it is, we can't stay here.
Things are too dangerous for me here, Tom. I need to get back to Ironrath.
There's a collier store by the river gate. On Muddy Way. The owners are like family. You'll be safe. From there, we can get you out of King's Landing.
Oh oh, da ist eine Wache. Weg, 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 weg.
Who's there?
Niemand.
Show yourself, or it'll be worse for you.
Das ist jetzt nicht gut.
Get to the colliers. Tell Godwin I sent you. Goodbye, Lady Mira.
The Coal Boy. Take him.
Die kennen den Kohlejungen also doch. Weil er immer sagt, er ist unsichtbar. Also, das sind Leute übersehen. So. Das ist die Whitehill Armee. Das sind aber schon ein paar Leute, ne?
Mira told us he was gathering an army. We have her to thank it's not bigger, but we can't fight that.
He doesn't expect us to. He's trying to frighten us into surrender.
Würde ich aber auch sagen, dass wir gegen die
But
nicht
every
kämpfen
bolt aimed
können.
at Lord Whitehill the moment he appears.
Da ist er ja. Mit seinem blöden Sohn. Oh.
Ryan!
Crossbows up!
Asher Forrester! Show your face, boy!
Ryan!
He's frightened, Father. On ya!
Are you here to sue for peace, Lord Whitehill?
Lay down your arms, and I'll spare your lives.
That's very funny. I've missed your unique sense of humor. But no, I'm here to end this once and for all. You got your little revenge on my men, but it's time you listen to reason.
Holla. Das ist mal ein
I
Penetrationsgerät.
could ram your gates down and kill every last one of you. Or we could end the bloodshed here and now. This war is over, Asher. It ended the moment Roderick fell. By Ramsay's rules, I'm the victor here. This will all be mine now. One way or another.
You put too much stock in Ramsay's terms, Lord. Terms set by a madman. Terms
Ich hätte
that I
besser
never
sagen sollen,
agreed
dass
to.
ich jetzt der Lord bin, weil...
Lord Ramsay will ask if you're in favor of his terms before flaying you alive for breaking them.
Let's put all this ugliness behind us.
Naja.
I'm willing to talk terms of your surrender.
Surrender?
Open your halls and bend the knee as my bannermen. You continue to produce ironwood under my supervision, of course. And you will join your house to mine, for all to see, by wedding my Gwyn.
Well, fuck me.
Asher, you can't!
That would be easier to believe coming from Gwyn herself. Where is she?
Geschickt aber eigentlich, dass er Gewinn damit
Besides, I
einbezieht.
speak on her behalf as her father.
Dass er die alte Liebe von Asher ist.
I would just as happily kill you all and be done with it. But I'm very generously giving you a way to keep your bloody lives. Oh, one last thing. As a show of my goodwill, I've brought home the body of your lord. Your brother was too stubborn to know when it was over.
Roderick, let me see him! I want to see my brother!
I'm sure your people will be relieved to keep their lives.
We'll never bend the knee to a fucking Whitehill.
You will. Unless you want to end up like Roderick here. You have an hour. I'll be waiting in my camp.
Mikamp. Der Dummfrosch da mit seinem blöden spitzen Bart geht mir irgendwie auf die Nerven. Der macht nichts außer dumm uns angucken. Sorry. Ich wäre vorsichtig beim Reinholen der Leiche. Irgendwie... Wahrscheinlich ist da jetzt ein Schweinekopf drunter oder sowas. Ich glaube, dieses Mal steht er nicht mehr auf.
I'm sorry, little brother.
I've buried too many sons.
Maester, take my brother's body. He will join father and Ethan in the grove.
As you say, my lord. But... forgive me, I just... Perhaps the time has come to truly let this bloodshed end. We simply accept. We bow our heads and Asher marries Gwyn.
Craven!
It's not the worst terms I've ever heard.
I may have loved Gwyn once, but this isn't real. Lord will have my head the moment Gwyn produces an heir.
There will be no marriage. If we bow our heads now, we'll always be his slaves.
We have to kill them, Asher. I piss on surrender. Let's ride out and kill them all.
We ride! To war! Spill their blood!
Believe me, I want to kill every last fucking one of them. But Lord still has Ryan. A direct attack is a sure way to see another Forrester dead today. But there may be another way we could win this. Lord rules that house with an iron fist. His sons, his bannermen, do nothing without his say-so. There may be 500 men outside that wall. Without Lord at the lead,
They'll scatter like chickens with their heads cut off.
That's good, but how? Ludd will not simply cast aside his men and offer his neck. Such a task is easily said, but Ludd is wary.
we simply need a ruse to separate him from his army. To get him alone and feeling safe. And there's one way to do that. We tell Lord exactly what he wants to hear. We invite him inside to celebrate and drink to our union.
And then?
An ambush. Your pit fight is hidden until the last moment.
No, an ambush is too chaotic. Things could go badly quickly. Ludd could escape.
There's another way. Poison. In his wine.
There are those who would call poison a coward's weapon.
No. Lethal and direct.
Either plan is high risk. We only lure Ludd inside if the whole
Ich bin für den
family is there to
Hinterhalt.
sell it.
Ich meine, wir haben
Talia
schon
and
Pitfighter
Ryan will
hier.
both be
Dann sollen die auch was machen. Wir haben da einen Haufen
understand the
Geld für bezahlt. So. Dann sollen die auch
An ambush
ordentlich
is
sich
the best way
verstecken
to kill
und
as many
dann
White Lords
warten,
as
bis sie
possible.
raus dürfen und dann ordentlich alles zu Brei hauen.
Then we have a plan.
Aber sowas von Plan.
Whatever happens to me, I need you to get Ryan out alive. As soon as we move on, Lord.
Not a problem. You know you're the only family I've ever had. That makes Ryan my brother too.
I won't forget this.
I've forgotten the number of times I've heard you say that.
I've said that before.
We will avenge Roderick's death tonight, whatever it takes.
Send word to Lud. We'll drink this night to the prosperous future of our united
Ja, aber
houses.
er ist ja nicht doof. Er wird auch ahnen, dass da irgendwas nicht stimmt. Plötzlich, weil weißt du, eben noch groß Klappe gemacht. Wir werden niemals, weißt du so. Und jetzt, ach komm, trinken wir ein. So doof ist er dann doch nicht.
Lady Mira!
There she is! Take her!
What's all this?
I'll tell you on our way.
You're making a big mistake. Don't you know who this is?
Doesn't matter who he is. We're here for you.
This is Lord Rickard Morgren, the most powerful ironwood merchant in King's Landing. One word to your superiors, and he'll have you carted off to the wall. Rickard, tell them how far you'd go to protect your friends.
Lady Mira, I hope these men aren't bothering you.
We have orders from Captain Lucan
Let
to...
me worry about Lucan. You worry about buying yourselves a few tankards. On me. Thank you for keeping our city safe. Can I take you somewhere, Lady Mira?
Ja, raus. Einfach raus.
The Rivergate. Thank you.
The Rivergate! Quick as you can! What's going on, Mira? Is there a problem? Maybe I can help.
Someone's plotting against me.
Plotting? What do you mean?
They're spreading malicious rumors. And worse, they've set the guard after me.
I see. That is worrying indeed. Clearly you've made powerful enemies here in King's Landing. Although, you've made short work of one of them, at least. I hear Lord Andros has found a home in the Black Cells. I'm impressed. It seems he took on the wrong handmaiden and lost.
Andros was a snake, working for the White Hills. He got exactly what he deserved, and no more.
I'm inclined to agree. I doubt anyone will miss the oath. Of course, now that you've gotten rid of my biggest competitor, all kinds of opportunities have opened up. Particularly in your part of the Seven Kingdoms. The Ironwood market is wide open. A lot of gold to be made.
Hold up, Lord Morgren. That's my family's Ironwood you're talking about.
Well, for now at least, you're right. But probably not for long. You're clever, Mira. Identifying Andros as our common enemy while approaching me as a partner. You showed an understanding of King's Landing that took me years to gain. Of course, I knew you'd be a problem when we first met. Imagine, a handmaiden stealing the Crown's Ironwood contract from under my nose. That's why I bribed that Lannister guard to kill you. Don't look so surprised. You must have known you'd become a target sooner or later.
You two-faced shit! Don't you have any honor?
Honor?
Do you think I got where I am because of
Er ist
honor?
ein Händler. Natürlich hat er keine Ehre.
To honorable men. After Lud takes
Mann.
Ironrath, he and I will control the Ironwood trade entirely. You've been very helpful, Mira. But it's time to get you out of the way. Can't have you complicating things.
The White Hills don't understand Ironwood. They can't take care of the forests. You may control the trade, but they'll run it into the ground. Only the foresters really know those woods. You're a fool not to see that.
If they leave the hills bare, I'll find another forest. I couldn't care less, and neither should you, because you'll be dead.
Geht's noch?
We've arrived. Now get out of my fucking litter!
Lucan, fancy coming across you here. I seem to have found something you're looking for.
That you have, my lord. I've been searching for this murderer a long time. Finally, I got her.
Lady Marjorie will hear of this. She'll have your head!
Lady Marjorie will want nothing to do with you, Mira. It's time for you to answer for your crimes. Take her to the cells. Chin up, Mira. I'm sure if you ask him nicely, the headsman will be quick.
Forgive my brother's temper. It's said over time wargs adopt the traits of their animal. And your news was unexpected. You see, Gregor Forrester was our father, and we are his bastards. I doubt anyone knows. It was his dark secret, and he feared his family would find out.
No one at Ironrath knows of this. Not that I've ever heard.
I suspected as much. Josra would say he banished us to hide his shame. But I like to think it's because he knew what we were. That he was protecting us in his own way. We thought one day Gregor would come and see everything we've built. But instead it was you. You are the first to arrive. It must have been a difficult journey. Few try, and fewer still live to tell about it.
It wasn't easy. I had to break my vows to the Night's Watch. We barely made it.
Not many survive this far north of the Wall. But you're here. Our father entrusted us with protecting the North Grove. That has always been our
Also
purpose.
der hat seine Bastardkinder
I've learned there's a power here, Garrett.
zu dem Nordhain geschickt, von dem er selbst nicht wusste, ob er existiert oder wie?
Winter is coming. And we haven't much time.
Oder wusste er, dass er existiert? Was ist denn jetzt für ein Quark?
Gregor ven Fiondan Bjorne Sager ven. Svealoden Mopre befastan.
Sollte jetzt das mit dem Blut? Der ist schon ein bisschen länger tot, glaube ich. Und jetzt... Ach nee. Die sind schon deutlich länger tot, sind die schon. Alter Falter. Alle wieder auf. Das ist halt das Problem. Jetzt nimmt ihr seinen Bogen. Genau. So, erstmal den. Nächster Pfeil bitte. Ah, shit, das sind jetzt 2. Okay. Ja, aber wenn der die halt so platt trampelt, so, weißt du, die stehen halt alle wieder auf. Das ist ja das Problem.
Finn!
Shit. Okay. So, rein mit dir. Es wird ihn aber nicht aufhalten. Ich meine, das hätte wahrscheinlich noch nicht mal den normalen Finn aufgehalten. Der Finn war immer schon... Was kommt? So, rein mit dir. Sie brennt. Jetzt hat. War's das? Ja. Ging so, war doch ein nettes Scharmützelchen.
Did you know him? Maybe I'm wrong, but you keep looking at him.
He was my friend. His name was Finn. He was here because of me. I let him join when we left Castle Black.
That was his choice. It's not your fault.
Now his watch has ended.
You fought well. For a crow.
I saved your life.
I wouldn't go that far. Although I admit, you can fight. Maybe they did teach you something at Castle Black.
Is that your way of thanking me?
Maybe I was wrong about you. We'll see. Killing them I don't mind. It's the burning that stays with you. You'll never forget that stench.
Did you see what they just did? They don't care about their own.
My sister has trained them well. Emotion is a weakness, according to her.
They don't mourn their dead.
They've been trained to fight. Nothing else matters but that. They're more my sister's doing, not mine.
The whites grow bolder by the day. Ever since the wildling tribes went south with Mance Rayder. I need to go back.
How did you command them? The warriors?
I told you. There's a power here. I should return to the village. Fulgorn Vysenir! Did you not hear me? Fulgorn!
Ist das der gestochen wurde?
What?
Wait! Fulgorn Vysenir.
Was sind das für welche?
You're losing control.
What was that?
It's blood magic. The more she uses it, the weaker she becomes. And they can sense it. Elsera's a fool to keep taking these risks.
Is there some way to help her?
She is convinced her blood magic is the only way to protect the North Grove, that her warriors are the answer. But she can't control it. I worry about her. It's more dangerous than she knows. She was right about one thing, though. The whites are growing bolder. And the worst is yet to come. Now that my father's dead, there's no reason to stay. That's why he sent you, isn't it? To bring us back to Einrath. To crush our enemies south of the wall. And avenge his death. It's what my father would have wanted. I know what my father said. The North Grove can never be lost. But he wouldn't want us to die because of it.
Keine Ahnung, ob er das wollen würde oder nicht. Bin mir da noch unsicher.
Never trust a fucking wildling.
Na, die haben sie doch aber losgebunden und haben doch gesagt, sie kriegt eine Wache dazu. Ja, hopp. Ich bin gerade selbst ein bisschen verwirrt. Ich würde mal sagen, für heute war's das. Morgen geht's weiter. Da geht's dann langsam auf die Zielgerade. Dann bis morgen. Oh je.